inside a ski resort.
Watch out.
Huh?
That's awesome.
How to build the ski gondola lift. Step 1. Build the upper station. The battery box. The bull wheel. Now place the station on the pillars. Step 2. Build the support tower. The support pillars. Cable guide frame. The sheave wheels. Step 3. Build the lower station. The bull wheel. Upper station. Support tower. Lower station. Now build the cabin. Add passengers and test the gondola lift. Yeah, it works.
Give me one ticket.
Ooh!
I'll start with the easiest slope first.
Number 1. Working ski hill.
It's too crowded here. So excited. I want to try it out right away. Move aside, kid. I'll go first. Skiing is so easy.
Leave now. This area is for kids only.
This guy bullied my son.
Fine. I'll find somewhere else to ski.
Loser.
Idiot.
Number 2. Ski gondola lift.
Awesome. Let's get to the top of the slope. This gondola is so convenient. It's way higher than I thought. So scary.
Hey coward, watch this.
Nothing to fear.
Oh no. Call the rescue. The ambulance is here.
In the previous episode, player finished the race with the first 3 obstacles. At this level 2, player will face to harder challenges. It's sticky trap and glass wall crash. Let's start with the sticky trap. This pool will be filled with glue and grains. Let's add some Lego pillars. Our player is here.
I just need to speed straight ahead. No way, I'm stuck. How do I get through this glue pool? My car needs bigger wheels.
Build the front chassis. Attach the rear chassis. Attach the battery box. Attach the cabin.
Let's get past the glue pool. Here I come. I made it through. Can you give me a harder challenge?
The next obstacle is glass wall crash. It will test the toughness of your car. This glass wall was made of sugar and it's pretty hard.
I just need one try. I lost another knife again. These knives seem useful. It better work this time. Let's go. Hooray, I've made it.
Further obstacles are awaiting for player ahead.
Welcome to Mr. D's challenge.
The winner will receive a prize of $1 million.
I will win that money.
That money will be mine.
No, it's mine.
Are you ready? No one will win $1 million. I've set extremely tough challenges that no one has overcome.
I will go first. Oh no, who set the saw trap here? That's a terrifying saw blade on the tracks.
How to set up the saw trap. The saw blade. Install the saw blade. Install the motor. Connect to the battery box. Testing.
I will overcome this challenge.
It's my turn.
The broken bridge trap.
What? It's a trap.
The slime hill trap. Slime.
Nobody can escape from my traps. No way. Please forgive me.
We're being robbed.
Freeze! Hands up! Stop right there. Get on the ground, now! Huh? Police officer here. I need to use your car.
Oh my god.
You'll never catch me.
Surrender now.
You can't stop me.
How to build the robot police dog. Step 1. Build the head. Install the dog's eyes. Install the dog's ears. Step 2. Build the body. Install the Mindstorm's motor. Install the sensor. Install the legs. Install the head onto the body. Install the tail.
Turn on the sensor light. Let's go catch the thief.
Don't move.
Damn it.
You're under arrest.
Somebody help, my canine's been shot. Huh? You're awake. I knew you'd make it, buddy. Thank goodness you're okay.
This evidence must be destroyed.
It's your turn now, Tom.
Stop, let me out.
Yes!
How to build the rolling machine. Step 1. Build the shredder chamber. Step 2. Build the frame. Install the gears. Step 3. Complete assembly. Install for the motors. Connect to the battery. Testing. Paper box. Great. Bubble wrap. Good. Newspaper.
Huh? Stop here.
Damn it.
Help me.
Help me.
Duke saved me.
This bastard. Damn it. Oh my god.
What the hell? Where am I? Let me go. Zombies. I'm a zombie now. How can I become human again?
Help me!
This is a witch. I need help.
What do you want, zombie?
Please turn me back into a human.
Don't worry, I will cure you.
How to make a cure for zombie disease. Potion number 1. Elephant's toothpaste.
In the first jar, add 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, 50 milliliters of food coloring, and 50 milliliters of dish soap. Stir them up.
In the second jar, add 5 grams of yeast and 20 milliliters of water. Stir them up. Build a piston air pump. Step 1. Build the piston. Add the engine. Step 2. Build the valve. Step 3. Connect the piston to the valve. Add the battery box. Testing.
I'll mix them together. The pump will aerate these to jar. And the solution inside these jars will flow into this flask. Great, the flask is full of solution 1. Now, I'll add solution 2. The potion's starting to bubble.
Yeast causes hydrogen peroxide to decompose into water and oxygen, making the mixture foam.
My potion is done. Take your potion and drink it.
Will I be human again? Something is changing.
Oh no, I'll make another potion.
Potion number 2. Chemical chameleon.
Let's add another pump set for jar 3. This potion will definitely work.
Sodium hydroxide. Sucrose. Potassium permanganate.
Let's mix solutions from jar 1 and jar 2. Too slow. I need faster.
Turntable.
Now I'll add solution from jar 3.
Purple. purple potassium permanganate reduces to green potassium manganate, then to orange-yellow manganese dioxide.
Let's bring this cure to that fool. Drink my potion, Slimy. You're back.
Oh, I'm still a zombie, you useless witch.
Zombie!
911, there's a zombie.
I'm a human, not a zombie.
You're done for! This witch can cure you, zombie.
I just made another potion for you.
No, let me out of here.